Welcome to Entera Tasks. This tutorial video will guide you through the taskboard menu. The taskboard menu is where you can create taskboards, manage their stages, and add members. Each taskboard comes with customizable stages and settings to organize and manage tasks collaboratively. Taskboard list page. When you open the taskboard menu, you'll find two sections, the taskboard list and the bookmark taskboard section. The taskboard list displays all taskboards where you are added as a member or taskboards that are publicly visible. Any taskboard you bookmark will appear in the bookmark taskboard section for quick and easy access. To create a new taskboard, click on the Create Taskboard button or press B on your keyboard. This action opens the taskboard creation form, where you enter a name for the taskboard. Then select Visibility as Public or Private. Now add members by entering their usernames or email addresses and assign them roles such as admin, editor, or normal member. Lastly, click the Create Taskboard button to finalize and create the board. Use the Filters or Search keyword field to find a specific taskboard. Click on any taskboard name to navigate to its detail page. The Table Settings icon allows you to rearrange columns or add more content to the table. After saving, these preferences will be retained for future logins. Taskboard Detail page. Bookmark a taskboard by clicking on the bookmark icon to easily access it from the bookmark section. Only admin members can access the drop-down menu, which includes options to duplicate, edit, or delete the taskboard. Taskboard details can also be exported as a CSV file from this menu. Filter tasks by assignee by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. You can also add new members to the taskboard using the Add icon. In the Board tab, tasks are grouped according to stages. You can add new tasks or stages using the Add Task and Add Stage buttons. Rearrange tasks by dragging and dropping them between stages. Rearrange the stages themselves. The Group by Filter feature lets you group tasks based on criteria such as priority, assignee, status, or stage. The List tab displays tasks in order of their creation date. Here, you can view details for tasks and subtasks, quickly create new tasks, and use filters or the search field to find specific tasks. The Calendar tab provides a monthly or weekly view of tasks with due dates, helping you plan and manage your schedule effectively. Click on a task to view its details. The Insights tab summarizes the status of tasks assigned to board members, allowing you to track the performance of the team. The History tab shows a complete log of the taskboard and its tasks. Use the Date Range filter to narrow down the history to a specific time frame. Task Detail page. Clicking on any task from the My Tasks menu or a taskboard opens the Task Detail model. In the Task Detail model, users with admin or editor access can update task details, add attachments, create subtasks, view task history, and comment on the task. They can also tag other users related to the task. Users with normal member access can view task details, mark tasks as complete or incomplete, and add comments to the task. Tasks and subtasks can be marked as complete or incomplete directly from this model. There is no limit to the number of subtasks you can create within a task. You can also assign users and due dates to individual subtasks. Duplicate a task by clicking the Duplicate icon, which opens a duplication modal. Here, you can select the details you want to copy. Task can be moved from one taskboard to another by changing the taskboard name in the model, which moves the task instantly.